Welcome back to this Spark tutorial. If you've made it this far, I want to personally thank you for dedicating all this extra time from your day to going through all these tutorials and learning about all the aspects of the Spark application. We've tried really hard to make this application exactly for all of the needs that parents have as it relates to finding daycares for their kids. And we really spend a lot of time to make this experience as great as possible. In this final video, we're going to go through everything related to deletions, both how you delete a circle and how you also delete your Spark account. In going through this, we've created a separate account because we want to show you how this would work under different circumstances. Now, the simplest case for how you delete a circle, all you have to do is click into the settings and you see that we have a delete circle card. Your circle seems to be in good standing and it seems like it's ready to be deleted if you happen to want to proceed. I could click delete circle, get a final confirmation form, and all I have to do is type in the circle name. Click delete circle, and that's it. The circle's gone. When I go back up to the top, you see that we only have the paid circle left. If I go to the Spark homepage, you see that circle no longer exists. You can't find it anywhere else. Let's go through an example of what this looks like when you have a paid circle. You can see that this circle is also pretty empty. We don't have any openings, we don't have any list or family profiles, but what we do have is a paid plan. So if we went back to the circle settings and you go to the delete card, you see that this one is actually not ready to be deleted. It says that we have to cancel all paid subscriptions first. So in order to delete a circle, if you click that help icon right there, it says you have to cancel immediately all your paid subscriptions, and as soon as you do that, the circle will be deleted for you. If I click delete now, again, it shows us that we can't do this yet until we cancel the subscription. Let's go to the subscriptions tab and I'm going to click cancel subscription. I scroll down to find the cancellation button, click cancel, cancel the subscription. You see right here that it says your plan has been canceled. No further changes will be made, but the benefits remain until May 22nd, 2027, because we were on an annual plan. If we go back to the settings and attempt to delete the circle again, it still tells us that we can't delete the circle because we have a paid subscription that's open. And this is actually technically true because you're still on the family plan and you still have all of those benefits. So in order to proceed, what you would have to do is you would have to click this terminate now button, and it gives you this disclaimer that says that although you have the benefits for a full year, if you click I understand, you will lose all benefits effective immediately. You cannot undo this action, but this will return you to the free plan. This guarantees that you don't accidentally delete a circle if you have a paid subscription and active benefits on it. But if we're convinced that what we want to do is delete the circle, all I would have to do is type I understand. I click terminate. And now when I click done, it shows us that we're back in the free plan. The paid plan that we were on, which is a family one, has been canceled. If I go back to the settings, you see that when it comes to the deletion, it now says ready, and we can delete the circle. All we would have to type in is the circle name. I type in the name, do one final confirmation, and there it is. Now it's gone. I go back to the Spark home, and you see it shows us that we only have the ability to create a circle. We don't have any circles that exist anymore. If now we go back to the Spark home page and we scroll all the way to the bottom, you see that when I click the help icon, it was telling us that in order to delete our Spark account, we first needed to delete all of the circles and cancel all paid subscriptions. And now that this happens to be the case, we can click delete account and close off our Spark account. Once you click this, it says that you have 30 days to contact customer support if you want to recover your account. As a full disclaimer, remember what you're specifically deleting is your Spark account in this case. It won't delete your account on the main Lucy platform. If you want to delete that account as well, you'll have to go into the account settings and delete it through here.